Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to eat Moringa drumstick. The most common way to enjoy this nutritious vegetable is by cooking the pods until tender. Once cooked, you simply scrape out the soft, flavorful pulp from inside. The outer skin and tough fibers are usually discarded. This method ensures you get all the beneficial nutrients and unique taste Moringa offers. It's a simple process that unlocks a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. To prepare Moringa drumsticks, first wash them well under running water. Then, cut the long pods into manageable pieces, typically about 2 to 3 inches in length. You can boil, steam, or simmer these pieces in water or a curry base until they are tender. This usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure they are cooked through, but not overly soft, as this helps maintain their texture and flavor for the next step. Once your drumstick pieces are cooked and slightly cooled, it's time to enjoy the edible pulp. Hold a piece and gently scrape the soft, fleshy interior with your teeth or a small spoon. The pulp is the only part you eat. It has a unique, slightly sweet and earthy flavor. After extracting all the delicious pulp, simply discard the tough outer skin and any stringy fibers. This ensures you get the best experience from each piece. Moringa drumsticks are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They are a fantastic addition to many South Asian dishes, such as flavorful curries, hearty sambar, and comforting lentil stews. Their unique taste complements ingredients like coconut, tamarind, and a wide array of aromatic spices beautifully. For optimal freshness, store your raw drumsticks in the refrigerator, where they can last for about 1 week. Enjoy experimenting with this nutritious and delicious vegetable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.